Hey, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I hope that this new year is treating you well so far. I have a Amy Lee look for you guys. I was sent a picture on Instagram of Amy and it had a filter on it that is like a makeup filter. So I was like, yeah, I can still make a look. And there's the picture. So that's what this look is based off of. Yeah, so the contacts I'm wearing for this look are Trinity Gray, one of my favorite grays. So if you want to see how to go about recreating this look on yourself, keep watching. For this tutorial, I'm using the Plush Like Me palette and the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place. You will need a ivory whitish matte eyeshadow, a black matte black eyeshadow from the Plush Like Me palette, mauve, but very light matte mauve tone, this one right here, and also Girl Band, which is more like a brownish plum, I want to say, because it does have like a purple tone, but it's very muted. So this tone right here, 3 blending brushes, a detail, a tiny little eyeshadow brush, and a pencil brush. And these are all pretty much medium. This one's slightly pointed. This one's kind of small. So those are the brushes. Off concealer, Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, a Selly gel pencil in black. So LA Colors lip liner in Natural, Maybelline in Nude Embrace. It's almost done. Mascara from It Cosmetics. Happy New Year, by the way. We're gonna apply the concealer and then just pat it down. Starting with the Warrior 2 palette into this matte white, the pointed blending brush, we are gonna apply it up here. Brush it back and forth like that. Now taking the ColourPop palette into Ironic, and we're going to apply this color here, right above the crease, underneath the white. Flat like this, and going like that, and bringing it out. And in as well. The same blending brush you were using, we're going to go into Girl Band. Right here in the outer corner. If you watch my tutorials, you know that I always really like to start at the outer corner and then bringing the color in. Usually, anyway. So we are going to put this color all over the eyelid. All the way in and up. We are going to apply some underneath with this little eyeshadow brush. all the way in, like that. Pencil brush into this black, tapping, pressing into the outer corner to start. And we're tapping. Tap, tap, tap to begin. Blend. And apply little by little. I'm going to take the last blending brush that I haven't used and I'm just going to blend these colors. And I'm not pressing hard, just lightly using the tip of this brush to blend. Now we're going to go into the black with this little eyeshadow brush and we're going to apply it underneath. Joining it with that corner. And with the detail brush into this white again, apply right in here to create a subtle light. Now I'm taking the gel pencil eyeliner. I'm going to tight line inside this. Now with the liquid eyeliner, we're going to start from the very beginning of the eye, going straight out, and we are creating a slight little tail, so you bring it, just go like that, kind of like if you're drawing an eyelash. That's what it looks like, but not like up. And you can thicken it. Just a little more black, just right here, with the pencil brush. Our mascara. Now I push it up against the roots and then I bring it out. Bottom lashes too. Now taking the lip liner, I'm gonna just line her lips. Fill them in a little bit. And apply your lipstick. Okay, and that is it for this Amy Lee picture based on a picture. It was a filter, so that is the look that I think they put on her. Yeah. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Yeah, and as always, rock on.